page.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today, we are going to learn about the magical course of new array. So this is gonna be very interesting. Today we are gonna learn about the magical course of new array. So let's see. So the course is that when we just need to create a normal array with one item, right? We'll do variable x equals to an array like with an item 40, right? And then if we just allot the array, then we'll expect a normal result up. We'll expect it to allot the array, and yeah, it is allotting the array that had the item 40, right? And but this is quite cool. When we create an array, like when we create a normal array like 40, 150, right? So we'll see 40 and 150. Okay, and when we create the same array using new array, right, through the array constructor, new array, and pass it 40, 150, then this will also work very fine. This is also working very fine. Now if we just wanted to create a normal array using like that will contain one item, so we'll just add 40 over here, right? So over here we have an array that will have one item, right? So if we just check it, it is a normal array. But now comes the course, the so-called course of new array, of the array constructor. So when we use the array constructor to add the one element, then see, like 40. Now see it very carefully. Whoa! So this is so confusing right now. You can't understand why so many commas are coming, right? You can't really understand that. But the problem is the course of new array is that whenever new array will get one item, it will add, and that is numeric, it will add those many of undefined items. So we have given it a numeric value 40 to new array, right? So this will add 40 undefined items. And you don't believe me? You just copy this, Command C, okay, and then we'll just allot this dot length, okay. So this will show us 39 because the last item won't have a comma. So it is showing us 39, right? So it is adding 40 undefined items. What a course new array has. So my suggestion, after looking at this, I just figured this out today, guys. I just figured this out right today, right? So I'll just suggest you, there's only one suggestion. Please don't use the array constructor to create arrays. Always use the square brackets notation to create arrays, because it can bring these unexpected issues that through which I came through, right? Today, right? So I just like, this was a shocking issue, and that's why I wanted to share with you that new array has been coursed. So you should not use a thing that has been coursed. So please do not use new array, and please try to avoid it as much as you can. And this was it for this video, guys. It is too short. It's not so long, but this concept was very important to understand, and that's why I created a short video on this. So thank you, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab!